So here I'm working on this small section of the garden. Now initially there was nothing here. It was a kind of open space about 15-20 years back, and first generation you'd have water shortage also here. So first generation whatever was available we planted. Then over the period of time what happens, some of the native plants they grow much more aggressively than others. So they can suffocate the more delicate plants. For example, there is one globa there, that one. So now next to it there is that barlaria, that yellow barlaria is there, that one, that becomes a bushy thing. And then this also, this is too big. Already we trimmed it a bit, I'm going to get it removed now. It's too big and thorny for this place. And the plan is to allow more smaller, softer plants to thrive here, because it's close to the house and snakes and all can be more if too many bushy things are there. So I want to neaten up the garden and change the plant profile also. This kalancho, it's about 3 years old, this one. So now numerous smaller ones have arrived. We can transplant and shift them. But then it shouldn't get suffocated by some bigger plants, because it's a slow grower and needs some sunlight and all. So this one I'll have to remove. Likewise, that's Ocimum gratissimum also is too big for this small space. We are removing and transplanting them to outer section of the garden. It's a nice hedge plant. This Vana Tulsi or Ram Tulsi it's called. And perennial also. It's a good competitor for that lantana. If you have lantana, you can introduce this one initially, because it's perennial, has big roots and all, and woody stem. So like lantana only, but non-thorny and aromatic. After a few years, you can remove this when other things have come up. So this Ocimum gratissimum is a good first generation. When you get a ruined place to plant, later you can remove it. Then some ferns and all. I want to increase the ferns. Then this patchouli also, initially it's nice, but afterwards it gets a bit big. ಇದನ್ನು ಎತ್ತು ಬಿಡು, ಬುಡ ಸಮೇತ ತೆಗೆದುಬಿಡಿ. ಇದನ್ನ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಪರಿಮಳ ಪಚೋಲಿ ಅಂತ, ಇದನ್ನು ಗೇಟ್ ಹತ್ರ ಹಾಕೋಬೋದು. Then because this garden has become soft and nice, the soil and all, the third species of cyanotis is appearing here. That is there's quite a few around here. Anyway, it's not to be seen. So small garden, we're clearing the bigger plants to make way for the smaller ones. ಅಷ್ಟು ಖಾಲಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ ವನ ತುಳಸಿಯಲ್ಲಿ? ಹಾಂ, ಓಕೆ. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಎರಡಿದೆ. ಆ ಪಚೋಲಿನೂ ತೆಗೆದಾಯ್ತು. ಓಕೆ, ಇದಿಷ್ಟನ್ನು ಗೇಟ್ ಹತ್ರ ನೆಡಬೇಕು ಹೊರಗಡೆ. ಇದನ್ನು ಎತ್ತು ಬಿಡೋಣ. ಅದು ಆ ಮುಳ್ಳಿಂದು ಗೋರಂಟಿ, ಅದು ಗೂರಕ್ಕೆ ಕೀಳಬೇಕು, ಮುಳ್ಳು. ಹಾಂ, ಎಸ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಣ್ಣ ಗಿಡಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ದಾವಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಜಾಗ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡೋಣ ಅಂತ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಹಾವು ಇದ್ದರೆ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಎತ್ತುಬಿಡು. ಅದಷ್ಟು ಎತ್ತು. ವನ ತುಳಸಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಖಾಲಿ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಡ ಅದು. ಸಣ್ಣದು ಫರ್ನ್ ಗಿನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬಿಸೋಣ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ.